Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Here we are at Bathurst. Look at this, enjoying Bathurst at the 19th GT Falcon Nationals, and I'm in the Falcon GT Restoration booth. It's going to be quick because there's a lot of amazing cars. Yellow ochre, track red, these are all phase 3s lined up. This is an unrestored, can you believe it? Unrestored Vermilion Fire XY GT and another yellow ochre phase 3. They're 4 phase 3s in a row. Look at that. This is absolutely magnificent, this one. Only about 30,000 miles on it. I'll just take you quickly through the other cars. All are spectacular, as you can imagine. XA, RPO, 2 of them. RPO 4-door and an RPO coupe. And look at this. Here we are standing in front of the Phase 4. Look at that. Phase 4 GDHO. All the roll cage. Let's very quickly show you. And here we are with 2 beautiful RPOs as well. This one unrestored, white and white, and then another coupe. And then quickly through to phase 2, candy apple phase 2 and a candy apple phase 1. Really beautiful cars. Look at that. This is Falcon GT Restorations showroom at the GT Nationals. Here we've got a magic one-of-one sunroof, true blue phase 2 GDHO. Wow. Look at this. You like this car? You love it? Sweetheart. And here we are, 2 XRs. XR GTs, a restored XR, and an original XR GT. Again, this beautiful true blue. And then over here we have XP hardtop. Look at this. Look at the display. What a great display with the cutout wheels and all the boxes of the parts. Look at that. Look underneath. In the wheel arches, wow, unreal. Engine bay. Then we go over here, and we've got a, this one is reef green phase 2 GDHO. Absolutely beautiful car. And then to annihilate, the Mansueto sub 8 second 429 powered rocket ship. Let's have a look at this incredible work of art. Super-roo. So there you go. Hope that gave you a bit of an idea of all of what's happening at the Falcon GT Restoration shed at the GT Nationals. I'll just quickly take you outside for a second so that you can have a look at the rest of it. And we have over 400 cars here today. So this will give you an idea of the lineup. XYs, XRs, XTs, XB, XA, everything. Amazing. This will give you an idea. So well over 400 cars at Bathurst. Thank you very much for watching Australian Muscle Car TV.